i-COOLGEL is an advanced sleep surface that's sensitive to body heat. The temperature sense memory foam adapts to the natural shape of the body while the cooling crystals keep your mattress cool throughout the night. This gel-induced memory foam mattress is environmental friendly and does not contain any toxic substance that can harm your skin and body. The COOLGEL infused layer cradles to your body shape, thus providing maximum support to your spinal cord. The mattress is developed using i-COOLGEL tech, which is a cutting-edge NASA-approved technology. The mattress has properties of a memory foam mattress as well as a spring mattress, thus eradicating their flaws. Adding to all the advantages of this mattress are the revolutionary 7 firmness zones. Each zone conforms individually to the different parts of your body. It comes with an extensive 11 years warranty and is backed by 31 years of brand confidence offered by Coirfit. The European upholstery combined with Klima Adapt Cool Tech fabric cover, rich suede fabric and Turkish accessories complete the look of this mattress. If you are looking for a bed that is comfortable and durable, you can't go past i-COOLGEL.